to felicitate our national and state level players.
Game of sports,
We request
establishing itself as a force to be renowned with our school's sports history boasts remarkable achievements, setting new milestones across various disciplines. Witnessing Manohar from grade 8 seizing the CBSE cluster table tennis championship. Historic gold medal fills with immense pride. This time not only marks the significant milestone for Manohar, also symbolizes the accumulation of hard work and dedication. Virat of grade 9A, national lawn tennis player, and Anshika Jha, grade 7A, national lawn tennis state player. Your efforts are incredible. Manit of grade 9A, national badminton player, stands as national 37th rank.
I request Balakrishna Garu also to come on to the dais, please. Parents, if you are present, I think you can also take the pride in coming onto the stage with your award. And dear parents, please round of applause for this budding
Platform at SFA Sports for All table tennis event. In state ranking, she stands 9th rank, underscores the depth of talent nurtured with our school. Her gold medal victories across different age categories stand as a testament to relentless pursuit of excellence. Romisa, recognized by Throwball Federation of India, illuminates the diverse talent thriving with our institute. Her achievements echo the spirit of determination and characterizes our athletes, bring honor to our school. The achievements of our badminton, basketball and lawn tennis teams are not just victories, but also testaments to unwavering the dedication, teamwork exhibited by our students. The gold and silver medals attained at various competitions stand as emblems of our commitment of sporting excellence across various disciplines. Moreover, presence of national and state players Satvik 4B and Vanshika from grade 5.
Now I request the Honorable Minister to give small memento to our chairman, Sri Malka Komare Garu. Madam. Madam, తీసుకెళ్ళండి. కోమరయ్య గారు ఆ గిఫ్ట్ తోని మీకు మన ప్రెసిడెంట్ కిషన్ రెడ్డి గారితో మీకు ఆశీర్వాదం దొరకాలని మేము ప్రార్థిస్తాం. Thank you so much. All the staff of Kishan Reddy Garu, all the gunmen, driver, they help us to bring Honorable Minister up to here because his busy schedule also they are the main person. Thank you so much.
We request a 1 minute.
Vanshika ki inter-school chess players, Preksha 4th A, Mokshita grade 8A skating and others. These feats stands at the boundaries of competitions, reflecting the ethos of sportsmanship and resilience times inspire us to reach greater heights, reaffirming our belief that determination and passion, there are no limits that we can achieve. Our school's sporting legacy continues to shine bright, and together, let's march forward aiming for greater heights and accomplishments in future. Thank you.